अरे आईबी मैथ्स की डेट आ गई क्या?
क्या? आईपी मैट की डेट्स आ गई?
हाँ भाई, डेट आ गई, 21 मई को है।
हेलो, आ गए तुम लोग। वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो।
So, are you also not prepared for your IBMAT Rohtak exam? And every time you think of starting your preparation, the first thing that comes to your mind is
एक काम करता हूँ, सो जाता हूँ।
भाई क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू?
सारे जुल्म हम गरीब बच्चों के साथ ही क्यों होते हैं? कौन करेगा हम गरीबों की मदद?
don't worry, we have got you covered.
कैसे? Can you explain?
Now, we are not going to offer you any pills जिसको खा लो और सब हो जाएगा. But
पुराने क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को एनालाइज कर करके पता लगाएंगे कि ये साल कौन से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे।
hello and welcome to IIM Junction. In this video, we are going to do a syllabus discussion of IPMAT Rohtak, focusing majorly on the quant section. In this video, we are going to tell you that how you can prepare for all the topics that are important in the quant section for IPMAT Rohtak, what are the important books and resources that you may need, how we can help you, and also when you will be sure shot of your preparation. After this, there is also a surprise for you at the end of this video, so please stay tuned and watch the whole video. Important topics of the quant section. Let me be very clear with the level of exam. The level of exam for the quant section is going to be easy to moderate. The important topic that you need to prepare are SI and CI, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, percentages, averages, probability, permutation and combination, linear equation and algebra, number system, square and cube roots. But the question comes that how we can help you in preparing for these topics. So now let me answer you that question. Videos of SI and CI, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, percentages and averages have already been covered up on our channel in the arithmetic section of our playlist. Permutation and combination has already been uploaded and we are very soon in plan to release the videos of number system, linear equation and algebra. After that, when we'll be done with this, we'll be starting to post videos of probability. This is how IIM Junction is planning to make you completely prepare for all these topics of quant. Coming to the required books and resources. You need to solve your NCERT of class 11th and 12th. Why? Talking about the chapters permutation and combination and probability. If you are able to solve it from NCERT and you are able to grab all the concepts that are present in those two books of class 11th and 12th, you will be definitely be very sure about your preparation from higher maths point of view. R.S. Agarwal for quantitative aptitude and also Arun Sharma book for quants. Now see, you don't need to solve Arun Sharma till LOD 3, but solving LOD 1 and LOD 2 is going to be enough. A very common question that arises here, that is level of IPMAT Indore and IPMAT Rohtak going to be same? The answer to this is no. IPMAT Indore is comparatively a bit tough and IPMAT Rohtak is comparatively a bit easy. Comparing in terms of quants, because right now we are discussing about quants only. So I would say that the level of quants in IPMAT Rohtak is a bit low, and if you are able to solve Arun Sharma till LOD 2, you will be definitely 110% be sure about your preparation from the quant section. The other resources that you need are video lectures that will clear your topics and also the handwritten notes that you need. Both of these video lectures and handwritten notes will be provided to you by IIM Junction.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो.
So this is the layout of our channel where we have uploaded videos. You can see the total number of videos that we have uploaded and the topics on which we have already uploaded videos. Now, you need to go in the playlist section of this channel. As you can see, there is a playlist for higher maths, a playlist for just fun, that is a meme video, Maths Mania, that's a very nice video, I would definitely recommend you guys to watch it, and the next one is going to be arithmetic section. First, let's click on arithmetic section and see what all is present there. As you can see, there are videos of percentages, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, time and work, time, speed and distance, ratios, and other important topic of arithmetic section. Before starting your preparation, you must be very sure that you need to know about these topics. So, I would definitely recommend you guys to start your preparation by watching our arithmetic section. Once you are done with your arithmetic section, then you should actually jump to the higher maths section. We have started our higher maths section with the topics of set theory. You will be very amazed to know that why we have started with sets theory. Set theory is a topic that is important in higher maths point of view as well as in your LR and DI. After sets theory, we have done permutation and combination, and then we have done sequence and series. A common doubt that each one of you are going to ask, that why we have discussed only the quant section and not LR and DI. Let me be very sure with my answer for this. We have just started uploading videos of quants, and once we are not done with our videos of quants, we don't think of jumping to some new section because हम नहीं चाहते कि हम आपको उम्मीदों की पुल बांध दें और फिर वो पुल टूट जाए. ठीक है. So once we are done with our complete syllabus of quants or maybe a respectful amount of syllabus of quants, then we will surely jump to the LR and DI section and we'll try to do it as soon as possible. Contact us. Quite amazed after looking this here. Let me tell you why I have mentioned about our Telegram channel. On our Telegram channel, we are going to provide you with the handwritten notes of all these topics, the same notes from which I had prepared for my exams. Apart from that, we are also going to provide you with ebooks that you need, all the ebooks that I had mentioned in the earlier stage of this video. On our Telegram channel, we also help in doubt solving. Our students, whenever they are going to ask any doubt to us, we are definitely going to solve it for them and let them know what's going to be the correct solution and correct answer for them. Apart from that, there are sometimes one-on-one chat session that we conduct so that there's a healthy conversation between us and our students. There are so many other perks of joining our Telegram channel. You meet like-minded people who are also preparing for the same entrances and looking at them you will definitely get motivated कि यार ये इतना पढ़ रहा है मुझे भी पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. We have less number of people but I think that's the best part about our Telegram channel. कम लोग हैं इसीलिए we give more and more time to each of our student and help them in acing their entrance exam. Apart from our Telegram channel, we also have an Instagram account where we keep uploading some memes to ensure a healthy conversation between us and other people who are studying from us. This is how our Instagram looks like. But we have not told you to follow it. आप चाहो तो आप follow कर सकते हो. But the main reason I wanted to tell you about our Instagram is something that we want you to know. So just stay tuned.
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है.
Alright, so this is the most famous post from our Instagram account and this is where we tell what all are we going to provide you. Conceptual videos, handwritten notes, one-on-one guidance, doubt solving, Telegram group, ebooks and PDF and a personalized schedule for you. But here comes a question in your mind that how all this will be done. So you can anytime book a free counseling session with us where we will tell you everything that you need to prepare for your entrance exam. For that, you just need to text us on Instagram or maybe on Telegram, the link of which is down in the description box. Once you follow everything that we are telling you in this video or maybe we'll tell you in the counseling session, you will be sure shot of your preparation. And once you will be sure shot of your preparation, no one is going to text me this video. So that's all that we had for you in this video. We hope that this video proved beneficial for you. If it, then please make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and also please share it with your friends who are targeting the same exams. And also don't forget to join our Telegram group and Instagram, the link of which is down in the description. Thank you so much.
तेरा मुस्कुराना और आके चले जा